I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have a backup and your Windows product information handy. Changing Secure Boot is a firmware-level change. Once ready, reboot and repeatedly press Delete or F11 to enter MSI BIOS. Make sure you switch from EZ to Advanced or Expert mode because Secure Boot controls are not visible in the simplified interface. You want access to the full tab structure. This gives you the registry of firmware options necessary to proceed safely to the next configuration steps. Once in Advanced mode, navigate to the Settings, Security, or Boot tab to find Secure Boot. Location varies by BIOS revision. Make sure boot mode is set to UEFI because Secure Boot requires UEFI rather than Legacy BIOS. If the Secure Boot option is grayed out, find and disable CSM or Compatibility Support module. This often unlocks Secure Boot controls. You're changing how the firmware validates bootloaders, so proceed step by step and verify each change before moving to enablement to avoid boot failures. Enable Secure Boot and select the Standard or Windows mode if prompted. This applies Microsoft keys and enforces signature checks. Then save and exit the BIOS so the motherboard restarts with the new policy. Once back in Windows, run msinfo32 and verify Secure Boot state shows on. This confirms the firmware and OS agree. If the system fails to boot or a device stops working, reboot into BIOS and either roll back the change or temporarily enable CSM. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.